when you are shopping for a new swimming pool pump, one of the most important things, probably the most important thing you need to look at in terms of your existing swimming pool installation is your filter. Your filter most likely is the largest flow restriction in your pool system. Specifically, what you need to note is the maximum design flow rate that your filter is made to handle. This is going to be very important when you choose your new pool pump. If you choose one that's too powerful, you're going to overdrive the filter and potentially damage it. Now, this is especially true if you have a sand filter. If you have a sand filter, they typically speaking have more resistance to flow than either diatomaceous earth filters or cartridge filters. And the reason why is the multi-port valve that's on top or the side of your sand filter. It's a fairly serious flow restriction, and as a result, sand filters by and large have much lower maximum design flow rates that they're able to handle before the filters will potentially sustain damage. And they certainly won't be filtering your water properly. So when you're buying a new pool pump, one of the first things, possibly the most important thing you need to do is go out, take a look at your filter, whatever kind or size you have, and it will have a label on there somewhere that indicates for you what the maximum design flow rate is. Now on this system here, take a look at this filter. This one's around back. It's always around back. Try to get in close there. This filter is 150 square feet, the C150S. And so the maximum design flow rate, in this case, the wording that they chose, let's see if I can get that to zoom in there. Probably not. It says residential design flow rate, 120 gallons per minute. Now the terminology for your filter might be different, might be maximum design flow rate or something to that effect. You should be able to discern by reading on there which number they're referring to. A sand filter might be anywhere from 50 to 75 gallons per minute, where cartridge filters tend to be 100, 120 or more gallons per minute. Same with diatomaceous earth filters. So this is definitely an important number that you need to know during the swimming pool pump selection process. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.